Welcome to the Hub, and May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're taking a look at some of the coolest Star Wars videos that are hiding in some secret corners of the galaxy and the internet.
3, 2, 1, go!
I love looking at giant Lego sets. This one is really cool specifically because inside of the mountain they've made a motorized clone factory. Let me know in the comments if you think this is cruel or if this is funny. It was a harmless prank that was played on people in this alley. They would run by and hand them this lightsaber, and then a group of stormtroopers and Darth Vader would show up and force them to run away. What would you do if you looked up outside of your window one day and you saw a Death Star floating up there? Aren't special effects fun? BB-8, you know him, he's the new robot from the new reboot Star Wars franchise. He went to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena and looked at some of the new robots they have. This is an insect robot that can climb up walls. It's intended to help find people during disasters. This is a model airport that has some few tricks thrown in, including this model Millennium Falcon that comes in for a landing every now and then. Check out this fully choreographed lightsaber battle that took place at the World Fencing Championships. You know it's the World Fencing Championships because there are about 10 people there watching. I wanted to see if you could make a real lightsaber, and this guy's kind of onto something. He's got a super high-powered laser, and he put a glass tube over it to limit how far it went out. It doesn't actually hurt people, but we're getting closer. I did some real research here and to find out what is the most powerful laser in the world, and it's here at the Livermore Laboratory in Livermore, California. Here's how it works. They send these lasers back and forth through these amplifiers and all these tubes at this hidden laboratory. It's a government laboratory, you can't get there. And then eventually they send these lasers back into this sphere and they pinpoint all into this one tiny little tube. Inside, it's supposed to mimic what it's like inside of a star. You can see how small that point is here with the actual up-close look. Big shout out to Jack and Joey. May the 4th be with you too. Leave me a comment below and I'll put my favorite ones in our next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon.
Right back here on the Hub.